Hi, boys and girls, and welcome to Learning with Miss Nancy. And today we're going to talk about what an analogy is. That's a big word, analogy. But before we go into our activity, I'd like to know if you've had any water today. No? Well, get your water so that we can sip together. Are you ready? So let's take our water and let's sip together. So refreshing. Let's take another sip together. Wonderful. And remember to drink water throughout the day, each day, to keep you hydrated and healthy. Okay? So, we're going to talk about what an analogy is. And it's a big word. It's a challenging word. It's a difficult word to understand. But you are going to learn it because you are super, duper smart. Yes. So, let's go over the word first. The word is analogy. Say the word. One more time. Analogy. Say it. Good. Tell the ceiling. Analogy. Tell the floor. Analogy, tell the wall. Analogy, tell the door. Analogy. What is the word? Analogy. Very good. Now listen. How many sounds or syllables do you hear in the word analogy? How many? Analogy. 4. Wonderful. 4 sounds, 4 syllables, 4 beats, 4 claps, 4 syllables. Excellent. Analogy. Okay? So now, I want you to spell the word analogy independently. That means by yourself without anyone's help. All right? Are you ready? Here we go. Good. 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 Yes. Last letter. Wonderful. And the word is, I didn't hear you. Analogy. Excellent. So, what is an analogy? An analogy is when you say 2 things that go together, and then you pair them with 2 other things that go together in the same way. Yes, it's a fun game. It's a fun way of relating things that go together. A fun way of showing how patterns go together. Yes. Now, I thought about you this morning. I don't know, a lot of times we can learn concepts that might be difficult if I put the concept or the idea in the song. So that's what I did. I thought about you this morning and I said, you know what? Let me help my early learners understand what an analogy is by creating a song. So I created a song this morning. And if you're like me, if you like to write songs, you just get a notebook and a pencil and you just start writing what comes to mind. Okay, so here it goes. It says, what's an analogy? That's the name of the song. What's an analogy? I don't know now. Is it an allergy? I'm not sure now. Analogies help us think of things in a special way, like moon is tonight, as light is today. Listen, what's an analogy? I don't know now. Is it an allergy? I'm just not sure now. Analogies show us how patterns come and go, like water is to rain, as ice is to snow. What's an analogy? I think I know now. Is it an allergy? Oh no, let it go now. Analogies are not the same, but come very close. Like butter is to jam as bread as net is to hoop, as spoon is to bowl, as straw is to soup. You get it? As brush is to hair, as rake is to leaves, as spider is to web, as squirrel is to trees. What's an analogy? I'm sure I know now. Is it an allergy? Oh no, please let it go now. Analogies are not the same, but come kind of close. Like butter is to jam and bread is to toast. Analogies. So you see, the things that I was explaining in the song are pairs, and they go together like a pattern. Sometimes they're opposite, but they come together and they're related in some kind of way. As in the song, I said, like the moon is to night. So you see the moon at night, right? Then I said, as light is to what? Day. So the light shines in the day and the moon shines at night. See how the two are related? I said, just like water is to rain, because when it rains, it's liquid water. As ice is to snow. And you know on snowy days, that snow will turn to ice. So see how they're related. We're talking about weather patterns, right? Then I said, as butter is to jam. So you put butter is to jam. Butter and jam is like jelly. As bread is to toast. You see? It's easy. You kind of got to figure out, and you got to concentrate to see how things are related. Let me see. If I said like tall is to short, right? And big is to small. Yes! You got to think about how those pairs work in teams and work together to relate and connect to one another. That's what analogies are. So I want you to take a moment to look at a video that I put together to give you a better understanding as to what an analogy is. Okay, boys and girls, let's practice working with other analogies. And let's see if we can fill in the blanks to complete the analogies on this sheet. All right? Number 1, a bat is to ball as a net is to hoop. A spoon is to bowl as a straw is to what? So we have a bat and ball that goes together. A net and hoop goes together. So a spoon and a bowl and a straw to sip what? That rhymes with hoop. Very good. Soup. S-O-U-P. Very good. So that's an analogy. A bat is to ball as a net is to hoop. A spoon is to bowl as a straw is to soup. Great. Number 2. A fish is to swim as a bird is to fly. A kite is to wind as a cloud in the... Well, let's figure this out. A fish does what? A fish swims. A bird flies. They go together, right? A kite, we fly a kite in the wind. As a cloud, where are clouds? And it rhymes with fly. Clouds are in the, yes, sky. S-K-Y. Excellent. Number 3. A crayon is to draw as a pen is to what? I didn't help you. I didn't give you a rhyming word this time. You have to figure it out. A crayon is to draw. You draw with crayons as a pen is to, what do you do with a pen? You write with the pen. W-R-I-T-E. Good. So a crayon is to draw as a pen is to write. Look at the second pair. A star is to sparkle as the moon is to what? Rhymes with right. A star sparkles and the moon is lit in the sky at what time? What time of day? Rhymes with right. Night. There you go. N-I-G-H-T. All right? A crayon is to draw as a pen is to write. A star is to sparkle as the moon is to night. Excellent. Number 4. A nose is to smell, right? We smell with our nose. As eyes are to, what do we do with our eyes? We smell with our nose and we do with what? Then we do what with our eyes? As eyes are to see. Yes, I heard you. A nose is to smell as eyes are to see. A lock is to key as a hive is to, rhymes with see. What's in a hive? Buzz, as to be. Very good. See how they're all related? A nose is to smell as eyes are to see. A lock is to key as a hive is to be. Good job. And number 5, a sun is to hot as a snowman is to what? The sun is hot. A snowman is what? Cold. Good. C-O-L-D. All right? A sun is to hot as a snowman is to cold. A story is to new as a treasure is to, rhymes with cold. Treasures are what? Old. Very, very good. And there you have it. Analogies. And these analogies rhyme. They don't always rhyme, but these are pairs and they go together and they all relate. Hi, friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Learning with Miss Nancy. Thank you.